In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add welcome notes in Patreon. If you want to make a great first impression on new members, a welcome note is a simple but powerful way to do it. It helps you thank people for joining, explain what they've unlocked, and point them toward useful resources right away. To begin, log into Patreon and go to your dashboard using the left sidebar. This is where you'll manage your creator page and settings. Once you're on the Home tab, look beside the Edit Page button and click the three-dot icon. That opens a small menu with more page options. From that drop-down, select Page Details. This will take you into the area where you can update the information connected to your Patreon page. Along the top menu bar, click the Welcome Notes tab. That's where you'll create and manage the message your new patrons receive when they join. Now you'll choose how you want your welcome notes to work. Patreon gives you two options here. You can use the same welcome note for every tier, which is helpful if your message is mostly general, or if each tier includes different benefits, you can customize welcome notes for each tier so members get more specific instructions based on what they signed up for. Once you've picked the option that fits your page, start writing your note. Keep the message warm and clear. A good welcome note usually includes a quick thank you, a short summary of the perks they now have access to, and any important resource links they may need. For example, this could include a Discord invite or a custom RSS feed link. The goal is to make it easy for new members to understand what to do next without feeling overwhelmed. If you want to make the experience more personal, you can also add a short custom welcome video. Patreon lets you embed a video link so it appears above your written message. This can be a nice touch if you want new patrons to see your face, hear your voice, and feel more connected to your community from the start. When everything looks good, click Save Changes in the top right corner. After saving, use the View Current Welcome Note link to preview it. This is a smart final check to make sure the formatting looks right, the message reads clearly, and any links are easy to follow. And that's it. Your Patreon welcome note will now be ready to greet new members with a clear, thoughtful introduction.